Hello students, RK classes 9th स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स 2 सब्जेक्ट में महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक के अंतर्गत चैप्टर नंबर 8 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में 8.2 RK classes welcomes you on RK knowledge channel. Exercise 8.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का 6th क्वेश्चन. Tan theta is equal to 21 upon 20. Sin theta and cos theta we have to find. Tan theta is given 21 upon 20. Tan theta formula is opposite upon adjacent. 21 upon 20. Now let's draw triangle to find opposite and adjacent. Always write triangle name A, B, C. On B it is right angle triangle. C you will write theta degree. Opposite to theta is AB. So write on AB opposite. 90 degree opposite will be hypotenuse, so AC will be hypotenuse and remaining side BC will be adjacent. Now put opposite name AB and adjacent name BC is equal to 21 upon 20. Now take ratio style. AB is to BC is equal to 21 is to 20. Let AB is equal to joint K 21K and BC is equal to joint K 20K. Now show in the figure, AB we got 21K, BC we got 20K. Now we have to find AC. To find AC, come on the next page. To find AC we will apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square we have to find. AB is 21K, so 21K square plus BC is 20K, so 20K square. 21 square is 441 K square and 400 K square. Add them, 841 K square. Students, take square root. Square root of 841 is 29 and K square root is K. So AC we got 29K shown in the figure. Now let's find sin theta. Sin theta formula is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB value is 21K and AC value is 29K. KK cancel, 21 upon 29. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. BC value is 20K and AC value is 29K. KK cancel, answer is 20 upon 29. This way we completed question number 6. Now come on question number 7. 8.2 question number 7 they have given tan theta is equal to 8 upon 15 and we have to find sin theta and cos theta. So consider tan theta is equal to 8 upon 15. Tan formula is opposite upon adjacent is equal to 8 upon 15. Now draw triangle. Always write the name of triangle ABC. On point B it is 90 degree. On point C we will take theta degree. Opposite to theta side AB is there, so write opposite on AB. 90 degree is on B. Opposite of 90 degree AC will be hypotenuse and remaining side BC will be adjacent. Now put here name opposite name is AB and adjacent name is BC is equal to 8 upon 15. Now write in ratio style, AB is to BC is equal to 8 is to 15. Now assume their real values. Let AB is equal to make real we will join K, 8K, and BC is equal to 15K. Now show in the figure, AB we got 8K and BC we got 15K. Now we have to find AC. To find AC, come on next page. To find AC, here we have to find AC. We will apply what? Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is what? AC. So AC square is equal to remaining sides AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Now values AC we have to find. AB is 8K, so 8K square plus 15K square is BC. 8K square is 64K square and 15K square is 225K square. Add both values, so you will get 289K square. 289 is a square of 17, therefore AC is equal to 17K. Now show in the figure AC value 17K. Now students, we will find the remaining ratios. Sin theta formula is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AB and hypo is AC. Values of AB is 8K and AC is 17K. K cancel. 8 upon 17 is the answer. Next, cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC value is 15K and AC value is 17K. K cancel. 15 upon 17 is the answer. Question number 7 is over. Now we are taking 8.2. Question number 8. Question number 8 is sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Let's find cos theta and tan theta. Students, considering question, sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Sin formula is opposite upon hypotenuse is equal to given value 3 upon 5. Now to find opposite and hypotenuse side name, let's draw triangle. Triangle name is ABC. Always write triangle name ABC. On B it is 90 degree. On C you will write theta degree. Opposite to theta, AB is your opposite side. 90 degree opposite will be hypotenuse, so AC is hypotenuse and BC is automatic adjacent side. Now students, we are finding the unknown ratios. Opposite side name is AB and hypotenuse side name is AC is equal to 3 upon 5. AB ratio AC is equal to 3 ratio 5. Now let make it original. AB is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 5K. Show the values in figure. AB is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 5K. Thus we have to find here BC. To find BC, come on next page. Here we have to find BC. To find BC in triangle ABC, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to remaining sides AB square plus BC square. Now put values. AC value is 5K whole square, AB value is 3K whole square and plus B square. 5K square is 25K square, 3K square is 9K square plus B square. Transfer 9K square left hand side, it will become minus. So 25K square minus 9K square is equal to BC square. After subtraction, 16K square is equal to BC square. Now take square root. So 4K is equal to BC, therefore BC is equal to 4K. Show in the figure BC we got 4K. Now the remaining ratios we are finding. Cos theta formula is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Here printing mistake, it will be AC. BC is 4K and AC is 5K. KK cancel, 4 upon 5. Now tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. Values AB is 3K and BC is 4K. KK cancel, 3 upon 4 is your answer. Last question, students, 8.2. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2. Tan theta formula is opposite upon adjacent is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2. Now, triangle. Triangle name always A, B, C. On B it will be 90 degree and on C you will show theta degree. Opposite to theta is AB, so AB is opposite. Hypotenuse is always AC. Remaining side will be your adjacent. BC is your adjacent. Now put the names. Opposite we will write AB, adjacent we will write BC. Is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2. Now write in ratio style. AB is to BC is equal to 1 is to 2 root 2. Now give it main format. So let AB is equal to 1K and BC is equal to 2 root 2K. Show in the figure. AB will show 1K and BC we will show 2 root 2K. Now to find AC we will come on next page. To find AC we will apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is AC, so AC square is equal to remaining sides AB square plus BC square. Now AC square we have to find. AB square means 1K square plus BC square means 2 root 2K square. Square it. AC square is equal to 1K square plus 2 root 2K will be finally square 8K square. 1K square and 8K square will become 3K square. 9K square, and after taking square root it will become 3K. 9 square root is 3, that is 3K. Now show in the figure. AC we got 3K. Now we are writing sin theta is equal to formula opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is 1K and AC we got 3K. KK cancel, answer 1 upon 3. Next, cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. BC value is 2 root 2K and AC value is 3K. KK cancel, so 2 root 2 upon 3 is your answer. Correct, students? This way, very nice questions based on sin cos theta we completed. Like, share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.